If you like nightlife, go to Ho Chi Minh City. If you like food, go to Hanoi. If you like snorkeling and resorts, go to Phu Quoc. If you like beaches, go to Da Nang. If you like nature, go to Ninh Bình. If you like mountains, go to Sapa or Ha Giang. If you like cruises, go to Ha Long Bay. If you like ancient towns, go to Hoi An.
Geography. What is the capital city of Vietnam? The capital city of Vietnam is Hanoi. Which city is the largest in Vietnam? The largest city in Vietnam is Ho Chi Minh City. What is the longest river in Vietnam? The longest river in Vietnam is the Mekong River. What is the name of the mountain range running through central Vietnam? The Chuang Son mountain range runs through central Vietnam. Which sea borders Vietnam to the east? The sea that borders Vietnam to the east is the East Sea. What is the name of the largest island in Vietnam? The largest island in Vietnam is Phu Quoc. Where is Ba Na Hills located? Ba Na Hills is located in Da Nang, Vietnam. Which river divides Hanoi into two parts? The Red River divides Hanoi into two parts. What is the highest mountain in Vietnam? The highest mountain in Vietnam is Phan Xipang, 3,143 meters. What is the name of the delta in southern Vietnam famous for rice farming? The Mekong Delta is famous for rice farming. Landmarks and nature. Where is Ha Long Bay located? Ha Long Bay is in Quang Minh Province. What is the largest cave in Vietnam? The largest cave in Vietnam is Sun Dong Cave. Where is the Golden Bridge with giant hands? It is in Ba Na Hills, Da Nang. What is the oldest university in Vietnam? The oldest university is the Temple of Literature in Hanoi. Which city is called the City of Eternal Spring? Dalat is called the City of Eternal Spring. Cuisine. What is Vietnam's most famous noodle soup? Vietnam's most famous noodle soup is pho. What is the name of the Vietnamese baguette sandwich? The Vietnamese baguette sandwich is called banh mi. Which dish consists of fresh spring rolls wrapped in rice paper? The dish is called goy kon, fresh spring rolls. What is the most common dipping sauce in Vietnam? The most common dipping sauce is nước mắm, fish sauce. Which Vietnamese dish has grilled pork, noodles, and herbs? Bún chả consists of grilled pork, noodles, and herbs. What is a popular Vietnamese dessert made of jelly, beans, and coconut milk? A popular dessert is chè. What Vietnamese dish is known as broken rice? The dish is called cơm tấm. What is the name of Vietnamese fermented shrimp paste? It is called mắm tôm. What fruit is known as the king of fruits in Vietnam? The durian is known as the king of fruits.